Hi, this is Markus Rimmel with DigitalituM. Today we present a solution for technical training in an industrial environment from our technology partner Aidar.Solutions called Aidar.Skills. We do this all on a Meta Quest 3 and the app is running on the glasses. Let's go. See this beautiful generated workstation of a motor assembly station. Here's the part, the engine, HMI, some shelves. Let's grab the part. Take the pencil. Oh, we forgot to sweep it in the grease. Sweep it on the part. Put the pencil back. Place the cover on the engine block. What's next? Take the barcode scanner. Scan the QR code. Bring the scanner back, take a screw, put it in, take another screw, put it in, then take the Makita torque driver. We have to hold until we have to get 100%. Same procedure again, put the tool back, take the torque gun, torque it to a specific value, both ways, place the tool back, and we're done.